Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Friends, today I'm at the Kesaria shop. You want to just have a look. Today I'm at the counter in between. Walk around and I want to show you the casual and varieties of blankets, bed sheets, pillow covers, kids collections. But today I'm going to take you to the lehengas counter. In lehenga, there are many collections. If I talk about lehengas, there are bridal lehengas, there are party wear lehengas, there are lightweight lehengas, there are casual wear lehengas. What kind of lehengas do I'm going to show you? You may think, right? Today, I'm going to show you only mirror work. Mirror work is very highlighted when we wear. It shows like mirror work is there, RE work is there, and thread work is there. No, multi-designer lehenga work is there. But today I'm going to show you to my viewers and subscribers. You're watching my video and lehengas boutique business. If you want to add these collections into your business, these mirror work lehengas are very fancy and fast moving. I just want to show you the packing of the lehengas over here. These are all exclusive lehengas. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel for the regular updates, and you can easily do online purchase by COD options, by doing advance payments, and easily from sitting from your home online shopping from pan India as well as international. And I suggest, if you want to invest on lehengas. Why you want to invest on lehengas? Lehengas gives the multiple undemandable profitable business where you convert and make your customers happy. You may seen the lehenga showroom. This is a pretty lehenga which you can carry like this. See the lehengas packing also. There is a Kesaria logo over here, and lehengas, the model photocopy and the barcode scanner code over here, the lehengas. And this I'm going to take bye-bye. This you can do, right? So these are all the lehengas, and here I'm going to show you all the lehengas collections, only mirror work. First color is very familiar and fast moving collection. Girls baby pink color. Just have a look. Such a pretty work around the floral based, and the how the mirror has been placed. You can see here the mirror has been highlighted, how it on the design it is highlighted. And this is a net, and this is a satin based, and then can it's very weight. You get weightless, even a heavy also. I'm going to show you. This looks like this. Okay, you have many more lehengas over here. Next color I'm going to show you, the very pretty color over here, grey with half white. Just have a look. This is also, I don't want so much of mirror, but I need some classy look, but mirror work. In this you can see the mirror work. Dark thread work, and this in between the thread work there is a golden and small mini silver stone as placed, and there is a rectangle based on this base. You can see here the floral, and there is a zigzag pattern. In this pattern you have a net base finishing. This is a multi fabric, multi designer lehenga. Satin inner, and this can over here, and this is a one of the pattern over here. This is also very pretty. Checks pattern. This is also multi design. This is one of the light matte finishing of lehenga. This is also very pretty. And Singapore, Malaysia, Canada, US, Los Angeles. If you want to have a clothing store of lehenga, you can add these collections at factory price. Contact, please walk down to Kesaria Manufacturers when you're visiting India. When you're visiting India, most of the people who are settled there by PR visa, they come to India to only purchase. So I'm going to tell you that there is a very huge profitable business, and there is a lightweight lehenga also. Just have a look. There's a broad variety over here, such a diamond and come mirror stone work, which is a net base floor base the work, and inside there is a satin based. So all these lehengas are only mirror work. And friends, if you want RE work, if you want thread work, if you want multi work, if you want bridal, party wear, fancy lehengas, just talk to our sales executives. Let me know in the comments, have a screenshot, talk down and sitting from your home, do online shopping and enjoy these lehengas. This is a one more pattern. See, there is a semicircle pattern you can say, or the mountain cut pattern. Such a beautiful highlighted dark magenta color. Even in the evening dark parties also, these colors are very highlighted. This is a traditional base. I have just showed you the samples. Just showed you the samples. You want to have a look of the stock? These are all the lehengas. The bridal we do have a lightweight, we do have a settle colors, we do have these colors. I'm going to show you the colors. Camera, please come down to the collections. See, this is a blue color, this is a pista green color, this is a lavender color, this is a maroon color. Keep watching, you can buy these collections and easily see a profitable business. So just invest on 50k. Okay, when you're in India, and if you're in out of India, invest based on the Indian currency amount and you can easily purchase. No damages, no worries. If you no quality doubts, no quantity doubts. So I'm going to show you, customers are doing a live purchase. Here is a live walking purchase customers. So you can also enjoy these collections. These are all the heavy bridal lehengas over here. There's all many more varieties like kurti, one piece, two piece concept of collections. If you want to start your lehenga boutique, don't wait. Just call. Numbers are on the screen. Just take a WhatsApp, talk to your online team. Just say hi, hello, take a screenshot on the videos, what you liked it. Go ahead for purchasing. Enjoy online business purchasing and start, I can say. When you want to start something, don't keep on running it in what happens, how can I do, will I get profit? No, everything is a lesson. Gives you an experience and experience gives you results. For that you have to keep your positive mind and you have to start. There will be ups and downs in that business also. There is an ups and downs. It's not knowing that I have no profit, I don't know experience, I can't start. No. Take experience, go ups and downs, then the life will be very enjoyable. So I can only say that if you have a dreams doing clothing business, just purchase and start. Do visit purchase. Experience all varieties of manufacturing wholesale price. So I end up this video. Hope you enjoyed these collections of samples what I've showed you. So I don't want to take much time in the video. So I request everyone. So subscribe the channel. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. Please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next video I'll come up with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।